good afternoon. My name is Haeyoon. Now I give you two questions. First, the development of technology of agriculture is always good news for farmers. Second, if government adopts drug control policy, how does the crime rate related to drug change, increase or decrease? They seem very simple and unquestionable, but it actually doesn't. It is difficult to say in a word. Now, I'd like to talk about elasticity. It is a very basic and important topic in economics. In this time, I'd like to talk about the definition and basic concept of elasticity, and we apply this for some questions. You may supply unexpected answers for two questions. First, what is elasticity? Elasticity is a condition after it has been stretched. It is easy if you think about rubbers or springs. It is very flexible, also it is very stretched easily. And about the stretched length, it depends on what kind it is. Some rubbers stretch very easily, but some springs stretch very little. It is same in the market. If price changes, the demand or the supply also changes, but the change rate is all different. Elasticity in economics is the mean friction rate of demand and supply when its price changes. Then, how to calculate this elasticity? We can calculate this by using this formula. Price elasticity of demand is a value dividing change rate of demand with that of price. For example, there is an example ice cream. There is ice cream price increased 10%, then ice cream demand decreased 20%. It is reasonable because people buy less if the price became expensive. Anyway, in this problem, price change rate is 10 and demand change rate is 20. So, by using the formula, elasticity became 2. Like this, some goods, if like this, if the price increases, some product demand decreases more rapidly. So the elasticity is over 1 because this kind of goods elastic. Otherwise, if price increase, some goods demand decrease very little. So the elasticity is under 1, so we call it inelastic. Now let's consider the relation between elasticity and total revenue. Total revenue means all sum of the income. First, total revenue is like this. But if the price increase, total revenue change like this. Because of decrease in demand is larger than increase in price, total revenue decrease. However, when elastic and if price decreases, the total revenue increases. In case of inelastic, the result is opposite. First, total revenue is like this, but if price increases, the total revenue increases because the decrease in demand is less than increase in price. Otherwise, when inelastic, if the price decreases, total revenue also decreases. Now let's go back first and consider two questions again. First question: the development of agricultural technology is always good news for farmers. How do you think about it? For example, scientists develop more productive rice. By growing this, farmers can make more rice. So they can sell more rice, and in market, rice supply increase and supply graph moves to the right side. And as you can see, the price decrease. It's time to consider the elasticity. Though the life price is very expensive, we cannot live without it. And the life price is very low, there is a limitation to them. So the life price is changes very little if its price changes. That is, life is inelastic good. As I said before, when inelastic and if price decreases, the total revenue decreases. So in this case, the farmer's income will be slower than before. So the answer is no. The development of agricultural technology is sometimes bad news for farmers. Second question, if government adopts drug control policy, how drug crime changes, increase or decrease? Like the before question, if government adopts strong drug control policy, the drug supply will decrease and let's move to left side. And as you can see, the price is up. It's time to consider the elasticity. In our common sense, if price increases, the demand decreases. But the drug addicts cannot stop it easily, so they continue their drug. And to manage higher price, they make more crime rate. So the government adopts the policy to reduce the crime rate, but it may fail them. Two examples seem very nonsense, but they were proved actually. And until now, we discussed about elasticity in economics. Its reaction rate of demand and supply when its price changes. How is elasticity? It is elastic or inelastic. It's very important because due to this, the result is very difficult and sometimes unexpected results happen. So it is very important to check its elasticity, and we apply this not only our textbook but also in our actual market. Thank you. Do you have any questions? I think it's very professional, so
it's fascinating.
Yeah. If you have something not to understand, please ask me.
So I answer the term something in Korean.
탄력성.
Any other questions?
Yeah. Actually, I think I understand the first example, but the second example, I didn't find the correlation between the strong drug policy and drug crime.
If government adopts strong policy, as I said before, the supply decrease. Understand?
Supply.
Supply decrease.
Okay.
Because they can't sell before then. So the brand moved to left side and the price increase. Because the price decides the point when demand and supply meet. Yeah?
Oh, so when you say drug, it's like opium and...
Yeah.
Okay.
So the price increase, but when in our common sense, the price increase, people buy less than. But drug addicts continue their drug because it's holy. You understand? So they continue their drug, but it is higher. So they to manage the higher cost, so they make more crime rate.
What can the government do to decrease the crime rate?
In this case, first government manages to control drug crime rate with supply, but it is not adopt this. So in America, government prefer not this, but the poster or advertisement like a drug is not good for your health and so on. So, and actually, this is more efficient to reduce the drug crime rate.
Really?
Yes.
Is the government actually applying this policy in the United States? I'm not sure.
But
They've been very vigorous in cracking down on
yeah, but
drugs.
it is from the economist, the most important, the most famous economic
Right.
issue. Yeah, I adapt from this.
Any other questions? What's the time?
3 minutes.
Okay.